Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a catalytic converter. First, identify symptoms like reduced engine performance or a check engine light. Before starting, gather necessary tools such as a hydraulic jack, jack stands, various sockets, and a torque wrench. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your Dodge Ram 1500 is cool, parked on a level surface, and securely supported on jack stands. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent electrical hazards. Safely lift the front of your Ram 1500 and secure it on jack stands. Remove the front wheels and the mudguard to gain clear access to the converter. Next, locate and disconnect the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. Finally, unbolt the old catalytic converter from the engine block and exhaust line, then remove it. With the old converter removed, thoroughly clean all contact surfaces to ensure a proper seal. Install new gaskets and carefully position the new catalytic converter into place. Secure the converter to the engine block and exhaust line, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, often around 30 foot-pounds for manifold nuts. Reconnect both the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors, ensuring their cables are properly routed and clipped. After installing the new converter, reinstall the mudguard and front wheels, tightening lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Carefully lower your Dodge Ram 1500 off the jack stands and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and listen for any exhaust leaks, which may indicate improper sealing. Finally, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes, ensuring your vehicle operates correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.